Welcome to this tutorial on using timers and timesheets in the Jobber app. The Jobber app is a powerful tool designed to help you manage your business more efficiently. And mastering its time tracking features is essential to optimizing your workflow. To get started, navigate to the Jobber app dashboard and click on the Time Tracking tab. Here, you will find two main features: timers and timesheets. Timers allow you to track time spent on specific tasks or jobs in real time, while timesheets provide a comprehensive overview of the time spent on all tasks and jobs. To use a timer, select the task or job you want to track time for and click the Start Timer button. The timer will begin counting up, and you can pause or stop it as needed. You can also add notes to the timer to provide context for the time spent. Timesheets, on the other hand, provide a detailed breakdown of all time tracked across your business. You can filter timesheets by date range, task, or job, and export them as CSV files for further analysis. This feature is particularly useful for invoicing clients, managing employee hours, and identifying areas for improvement. To create a timesheet, click on the Timesheets tab and select the date range you want to generate a timesheet for. You can then choose to include all time entries or filter by specific tasks or jobs. Once generated, the timesheet will display the total hours worked, along with a breakdown of the time spent on each task or job. Best practices for using timers and timesheets in the Jobber app include setting clear expectations with your team about time tracking, regularly reviewing timesheets to identify trends and areas for improvement, and using the data to inform business decisions. By following these steps and implementing these best practices, you can unlock the full potential of the Jobber app and take your business to the next level. In conclusion, using timers and timesheets in the Jobber app is a straightforward process that can have a significant impact on your business. By tracking time spent on tasks and jobs, you can gain valuable insights into your workflow, optimize your operations, and make data-driven decisions to drive growth and success.